Hello everyone, let's make some delicious finger licking okra soup. So I start by putting my dried fish in my pot, and I'm using smoked turkey, beef and shaki. So I'll be blending my onion and pepper together. I don't want it to be too soft, so I blended it in chunks, and I'm adding it into my proteins. Next, I'll be adding my salt to taste and one seasoning cube. Next, I'll be adding in some water and mix everything together. Cover the pot and allow it to cook until it is tender. Next, I'll be washing my okra. I used a lot of okra for this. Taking out the water, and next I'm going to chop the okra in little chunks before putting it into my blender to blend it. For this part, some people like it chunky. You can leave it chunky, but I like it when it is kind of smooth, so this is my preference. And now my meat is done. Next, I'll be adding some shaki. I boiled this separately in the pressure pot because it is hard, so I'm just adding it with the stock in it and let everything mix. Next, I'll be adding my palm oil, and I'm going to be adjusting the taste. I added some water. As you can see, there is more water in the pot. I'll be adding just one seasoning cube and a little bit of salt just to adjust the taste. Next, I'll be putting in my blended crayfish. And also it's time to put in the blended okra. I'm just going to put this slowly so it doesn't splash on my body. And also it's time to put the vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, so I am using spinach, and I'm just going to put it nicely, mix it all together and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes, and our pot will be ready. So this is the final look of the okra, and I promise you it is so delicious. Will you be trying this recipe out? If you will, then comment, like and share. Tell me how it was and if you are going to try this delicious soup. You can have this with your gari or any swallow of your choice, even rice or plantain. You can have it with it, and I promise you, you're gonna love it. Thank you all for watching this video, and see you all in my next video. Bye.